Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect way to keep your cocktails cold when you are sitting around a fire or maybe hanging out on a boat or at the beach, this Yeti Rambler 10-ounce Lowball is the perfect solution. This stainless steel vacuum insulated cup is amazing at keeping your drinks really cold or really hot. So some of the things I like about it are the size. I like this small size for things like cocktails or maybe a glass of wine or even for your coffee in the morning. It is perfect. I love the way it looks. I think it has a really cool sleek design. This is the black color. It does come in a variety of colors, and it also comes with the Magslider lid, which is an awesome accessory that I love, and it comes with it already. So the Magslider lid has this little opening that you can slide up and down, and it helps to keep your drink in. It's not leak proof, but it definitely helps to keep it in place. And I love that you can take off that little magnetic piece so you can wash this really, really well. Speaking of washing, you can pop this into the dishwasher to get it clean, so it's super easy to take care of. So this cup is basically indestructible. You can drop them. It is super, super durable. It is going to last you a long time, and it's going to do an amazing job at keeping your drinks both hot and cold. So if you're looking for that perfect little companion for your drinks, then definitely check out this Yeti Rambler 10-ounce. I think it's a great find, and that's my point of view.